Are you tired of squinting at your screen or straining to read signs from a distance? It's time to give your eyes the boost they need with a delicious, easy-to-make drink that not only enhances your vision, but also tantalizes your taste buds. The recipe: Vision Booster Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh carrots, chopped. 1/2 cup of spinach leaves. 1/2 cup of blueberries, fresh or frozen. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 cup of water or coconut water. Instructions: blend to perfection. Combine carrots, spinach, blueberries, chia seeds, honey, and water or coconut water in a blender. Mix until smooth. Blend until the mixture reaches a smooth consistency. Feel free to adjust the water amount to achieve your preferred thickness. Serve and enjoy. Pour into a glass and sip your way to better vision. The science behind it now. Let's delve into why this drink works wonders for your eyes. Benefits: carrots, known for their high beta-carotene content, which converts to vitamin A in the body, essential for good vision. Spinach, packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the eyes from harmful light and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Blueberries, rich in anthocyanins, which help improve circulation to the eyes and maintain healthy blood vessels. Chia seeds, provide omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for eye health and reducing dry eyes. Honey, offers natural sweetness and contains antioxidants that benefit overall eye health. Drawbacks: sugar content. While honey adds sweetness naturally, excessive sugar intake can contribute to health issues like diabetes, which can affect eye health if unmanaged. Allergies. Some individuals may have allergies to ingredients like pollen and honey or specific fruits like blueberries. Why it works: with a dash of humor. Imagine your eyesight as a superhero, capable of incredible feats, but needing the right fuel to stay strong. This smoothie provides the nutrients your eyes crave, helping them stay sharp and focused on whatever adventure comes your way. Plus, who wouldn't want to sip on something that tastes great and makes you see like a hawk, or maybe an eagle if you're aiming high? So, whether you're battling computer glare or just want to see clearer starlit nights, whip up this drink and toast to sharper vision and healthier eyes. Your eyeballs will thank you, and you might even start seeing carrots in a whole new light, literally. Now, go blend, sip, and see the world in high definition, because your eyes deserve nothing but the best.